Everyone heard it, seems like it. The sound of thunder wasn't the only thing Iowans heard last night.
There was also a rumble that caught many Iowans by surprise. It sounded something like this. Did you guys hear it?
Loud.
It was.
Startling.
The noise continued to build, and so did the questions from viewers on our Facebook page. WHO 13's Kaylin Thompson went looking for answers.
Residents in Des Moines had a lot of questions after hearing a loud noise late Monday night.
It's a distinct sound. I'm sure people probably heard it.
Lieutenant Claire Clark has the answer. Fighter jets came to Des Moines. She's one of the pilots who flew from Naval Air Station Lemoore in California.
Got in at about 11:30. The F-35s got in a little bit earlier in the afternoon, so if someone heard some noise, it was probably them coming in as well.
Two F-18s and two F-35s took off from Des Moines this afternoon to do a flyover for Larry Spencer. They were in missing man formation for the veteran who was an American prisoner of war in North Vietnam for nearly 7 years, the longest of any Iowan according to his obituary.
To get to salute his service is incredibly humbling and also just a cool testament to the Navy's culture and the aviation community, which I'm super proud to be a part of.
And there's also a sense of pride for this pilot, whose call sign is Gypsy, to fly an aircraft that many have recently seen on the big screen.
As an F-18 pilot, it's awesome to see the F-18 in Top Gun. Obviously it's Hollywood, but it does a great job of capturing kind of the fighting spirit of naval aviation.
One thing the movie couldn't fit into 2 hours is the time real-life pilots take to prepare.
Before we fly, there's hours of mission planning that go into it, and then when we land, there's hours of debrief to include watching your tapes, reviewing what you did, discussing learning points. We're pretty hard on ourselves, but that's how you get better. So
for this young pilot, the sky seems to be the limit.
Well, after spending time with family in Iowa tonight, Lieutenant Clark says she'll take off from Des Moines tomorrow.
I love so much about that story.
Yeah.
She's amazing. Thank you, Kaylin.